Hello, I'm Dr. Joseph Lee. Baka interesado kayo. Ano ang mga dinadala ko maliban sa aking hospital bag? Siyempre, dala ko rin ang aking Go Wellness bag. Are you interested kung ano yung Go Well bag? Ano ibig sabihin ng Go Well bag? Ibig sabihin, well is wellness, di ba? So, ito nakalagay sa tabi ko during my clinics para it will remind me to keep me healthy. So, tingnan natin kung ano mga laman ha. Okay. So, pag on the go tayo, dati kasi matagal ang hours of work ko from clinic to OR, tapos nag-lecture pa ako sa university, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. ang work schedule ko ngayon. So minsan kasi, pag early on, mataas pang energy mo, pag pahapon na, minsan mababa na. So kailangan mo ng supplement. So what supplements do I put in my Go Well bag is, number one, syempre ang aking favorite, ang Genesis Organic Spirulina. Ang Genesis Organic Spirulina kasi it helps my immune system, it builds my energy and sustain yung strength ko hanggang sa hapon ng pagtatrabaho ko. So I take these 2 tablets in the morning, then later on in the afternoon, either 2 or 3 para malakas pa rin ako. Then, since urologist ako in subspecialty ko, require ko sa mga pasyente, huwag uminom ng soda, huwag uminom ng mga bottomless juices, and sometimes yung mga hindi lisensyadong energy drink. So, I prefer my 1-octane juice. This is a 15+1 vegetable juice. Maganda siya kasi pag naiisipan mo uminom na wala kang tubig, diba? Ito na ang ginagawa mo. It's very easy. You just pour in water, lukewarm water, then shake mo at iinumin. Kaysa naman bumibili ka ng mga soda sa labas, at least, diba, meron kang something healthy and with vegetables that are very nutritious. So, yan ang pangalawa. Then, of course, syempre, lagi natin sinasabi, kailangan hindi tayo maging stress o marag, diba? So, iniinom ko ang aking fish collagen and with gluten. Gusto mo maging youthful or maging, wow, parang fresh ka pa rin hanggang hapon. So, ito yung tinitake ko. This is made in US and formulated in parts of Europe. So, meron siya, lisensyado siya lahat. Remember, lahat na sa Go Well bag ko ay licensed, certified, FDA, USDA, halal, and everything. So, this is my essential. No, na pinakita ko na yung secret ko. So, lastly, di ba meron tayong mga pag minsan na-dehydrate tayo, if you work lalo sa hapon, if you go from OR to outside, then come back to your clinic, from yung pagbago-bago ng klima, minsan na-dry yung face mo, di ba? So, minsan meron tayong mga spray sa mukha, mahal, di ba? So, I rather have my Ageless Beauty Age-Defying Trio System. I keep a pack of this, no? So every day, pag namamadali ako, I just spray it in the face, which is very, very convenient, diba? Gusto ko kasi mga parang ini-spray ka sa face to keep you dehydrated. Hindi lang dehydrated, and at least wrinkle-free at ma-preserve pa ang freshness. So this is some of the contents of my Go Well bag, which I bring every day in my work. Usually kasi marami pa yan, pero these are all the essentials that I keep. At this point kasi yung age mo, no? You're 50 plus, at least you have to keep yourself well. You can follow this, get a bag, put everything essential, vitamin, the supplement for your energy, your drink, to give you freshness and aging. Muli, ako po si Dr. Joseph Lee, showing you what is inside my Go Wellness bag.